been a pretty eventful morning. We woke up and went on a walk and exercised, and as you can tell, because Blue is all wet, it's forecasted to rain all day today, so we got lucky and were able to go on like a walk and run Blue around and stuff this morning before the rain hit, but now it's hitting. So we left our campsite that we had last night, and I'm actually only like 15 minutes away from a Starbucks, so I'm gonna run there and upload a few videos. Blue is very tired. She's trying to lay down and like nap on the shifter, so I'm gonna run into Starbucks for like 45 minutes and change my clothes and brush my teeth and upload a couple videos and then let Blue nap. Usually he comes in with me, but he's not in the mood today. I can tell. You know? I know, my dog. So, whoops. Anyways. And also, I always park, and this is like a tip for anybody that's trying to do this too and has a dog. I always park, like, you know how Starbucks has parking spots usually like right up by the glass by the door. I always park there so I can see Blue, and then I always sit by the window. So like I always have eyes on him even when I am inside, just to make sure like he is sleeping and not like pacing or getting weird or, you know, eating me for something. So pro tip, if you are gonna leave your dog in a car to go into Starbucks while you're on the road, make sure you still have eyes on them. Okay, to Starbucks we go. That was sort of a mini fail because the Wi-Fi was trash. Like, the worst Starbucks Wi-Fi I've ever experienced. Had I stayed and actually waited for the upload to happen, I would have been there for like 7 hours. So I just canceled it. We'll just find another day to upload that video. And I pretty much just charged my devices, and I did plan out the rest of our week, which, oh yes. How was your nap, Bubby? Was it good? Was it good? Okay, get down. I did plan out the rest of our week, which I'm very excited about because I found some really cool places for us to go. So, it wasn't all for nothing. Devices charged, plan in place. We're good to go. It's supposed to be raining for the rest of the night, except for like a 1 hour window I think we have where there's not going to be any rain. So, that will be interesting. We're going to have to cook in the rain and probably just try to run Blue for the hour that it's not raining. Yeah, I know. We're right across from a grocery store, so I'm gonna pop in there really quick and grab more ice and more water and a couple things for dinner tonight. And then we're gonna go right back to the campsite we were just at because that's like my new little favorite place to be. All right, I know my hair looks bad because my dad FaceTimed me, and when I answered, he just busted out laughing, so I'm aware of the situation. But I need this hair to last me a week, so I'm gonna take it out tomorrow. We're all just gonna have to deal with me looking like a toe until tomorrow, okay? All right. I need to drain my cooler, put the groceries that I just got into it, give you guys a little show and tell because I bought more than just food, all right? Show you what I bought. And we're gonna put it all away so that when I go to make dinner tonight, it's all, and it's, you get it. I don't need to narrate. I do that. I'm trying to stop. Bubby, you have water over there. Your water's over there. You don't have to drink it out of the ground. You know? Do you like this because it smells like food? Hi. Excuse me. Thank you. Blue, get out of the thorns. Yeah, okay, come here. Come here, Blue. Come here. Yeah, see, now they're all stuck all over you. Well, here. If you would listen to your mother, it wouldn't get stuck. Stay out of the thorn bushes, okay? No thorns. Show and tell. Here we go. I'm just gonna start taking these all apart while we're gonna do this together. I got kitchen scissors. I did forget a knife. However, I can just cut stuff, so. 2 birds. You know what I'm saying? Skizzers, Blue. I got paper bowls that are kind of like half plates, so that's good. The last minute I was really smart and got Tupperware, so go me. I got pepper. I needed pepper last night and I didn't have it. Oh, and then I also got, I'm making fajitas tonight, so I got this, can you focus? Come on. Newest Sony on the market and you can't even focus. There. This little goat went to Cuba. It's kind of cute. So we'll try this on the fajitas tonight and see how that goes. I really should clean out my food drawer that's covered in coffee creamer, but I have yet to do that because I just really don't feel like it. Seasoning. And then I got tortilla. Protein tortillas because your girl try not to lose these gains, you know what I'm saying? You gotta stay protein focused, Blue, because we're gym bros that live on the road. Shove my torts in here. And then beans. Use this for trash. Kitchen scissors. Okay. I got this chop to pot folding, what is this? Cutting board. So you chop on it and then you literally, it goes right in the pan. Tell me that's not useful. And they're little, so it's like good for being on the road. I'm so excited. All right. Oh, I need my scissors. Help me, Blue, get out of the thorns. No. You're just gonna come over here and whine that you have thorns all over you when I told you no, child. You know? Can opener for said refried beans. A spatula. Look at me. Making moves. It's actually called a short turner. Okay. Like that makes sense. What else did I get? Oh, I also got things for Blue. He has these other balls that like he goes through them in one time of fetch, like they just fall apart, like the little squeaky ones from Walmart. So I got him indestructible tennis balls. You're welcome. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas. You're gonna lose your mind when I take these out. didn't really need ice, but... Ooh, I should put some of that in my hydro flask. That would be smart. Blue, would you like an ice cube? See, this is what I'm talking about. Focus, Sony. It's like... That's after 20 minutes from yesterday. It's crazy. Indestructible. Sony, focus. Wow! So fast! My dog's the fastest in the world. Blue, stay out of the thorns. It's like, do you even care? Oh. It's a wee bit wet, isn't it? It's been raining. I come to you today. Actually, hold on. That's better. Even though my glasses are for distance, not for reading, but you know what? We're just gonna pretend. He's talking about how you only have one life to live and you should be the captain of your own ship, okay? And also, self-sufficiency is a powerful freedom. Captain your own ship. How are you going to build a ship, let someone else steer it, and then be surprised when it doesn't go in the direction that you had in mind? Or worse, why would you abandon your own ship in the first place? Literally talking about how, like, everybody has, like, a big dream, and then you just don't think you're enough, so you don't go after it. And you follow someone else's dream, and you build someone else's dream. It's nuts. Stay in the cockpit, he says. Okay. On a serious note, though, you guys, it really did hit me the other day, just, like, how crazy life is that we're even here. Like, did you know it's a 1 in 400 trillion chance? Or 1 in 400 trillion, yeah, I said that right. Anyways, trillion chance that you're even here right now. It's just so nuts to me that we have one life. Literally, we get to go through this one time, and there are people out there not going after what they really, really want to do, and they're like settling for less, and they're feeling like they can't win. And like, there's enough room for everybody to win, okay? There's enough room for what you specifically want to do with your life and what sets your heart on fire can make you successful, and that you can be successful doing that and loving every day of your life. Now, success is like different to everybody, obviously, and I'm not saying everybody's just going to be a billionaire if you like step out of your door and like, are like, I want to open a clothing store. Like, I'm not saying it's like that. Like, you have to also put in the work, but it's just nuts to me. Like, some people are so brilliant and just don't believe in themselves. And it's like, but do you really take into account how short life is? Like, it's going to be over before you know it. And that's even if you live to the entirety of your life out. Like, that's not even guaranteed. What if you die tomorrow? God forbid. Like, it's just nuts. Life is so short. It's so short. Like, we've got to go after what sets us on fire, you know? Or our heart's on fire. Whatever that cheesy shit is that people say, you know what I mean? Not sets you on fire. Don't get set on fire. You know what I'm saying. And, like, I'm not saying you need to live out of your car. Like, be my level of crazy to do that. But, oh my gosh, you guys, like, please realize life is too short to be unhappy. So I hope if you're watching this channel, you pull that from what I do with all my craziness. Life's too short, and you gotta go after what you want. Right, Blue? You go after tennis balls. He's just staring at me. All right, you guys. That's my little pep talk for the day, and now we're gonna make fajitas, so